everybody, this is Jeremy with Lint Busters of Central Oregon. I appreciate you joining me today. Today we've got kind of an interesting situation. Was called to a residence that has some issues with the clothes drying and a tremendous amount of condensation building up on the inside of the dryer. So after doing some diagnostics, determined that the dryer vent hose here, which is this guy here, we call that the flex hose, is completely full of water. So they've had a clog at some point and they continue to do the laundry over and over, and that moisture from the wet clothes has nowhere to escape or evaporate to the outside air, and consequently the entire vent here, the vent hose, the flex hose here, is 100% completely full of water. You can see that it's laying on the ground. It's because it's so heavy. I'm going to take you guys over here. And the process that we are going to have to do to get this out is drain the hose here. It's hard to do this one-handed. It's very heavy, very heavy. Alrighty, there we go. Okay, so that is a long and tedious process that we're going to have to do to get this water from out underneath the crawl space. But anyhow, this is how it's fixed. If you got any questions, call us. Please leave a comment. We'd love that. This is again Jeremy with Lint Busters of Central Oregon. Phone number is 541-588-2399. Appreciate you watching. Stay safe and healthy.